Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Google Chrome will appear under the best match, then just go ahead and click that. Now maximize the Chrome browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, that is to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and you will find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you need to look for privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. And under privacy and security, you will find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. Now we need to switch to the advanced tab. Make sure that all of these default selections and options from here are selected. Then you just need to simply click on delete data. Then still in the options on the left pane, we also need to make sure that our Chrome browser is updated. So click on About Chrome. And once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update the Google Chrome browser for you. So if that's the case, then your Google Chrome browser will be updated. So in my case, I still have a pending restart. That's why I'm having this error. But in your case, once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update the browser for you. And for the next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Here you need to simply type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now the network connections window will appear. All you have to do is locate your connection. You could be connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. All you have to do is make a right click, select Properties. Now the properties window will appear. So here we need to simply locate the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here you will find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is a very great DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, you need to type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK, close this and close this. And that's it. So that's how you can fix the issue, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.